Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Jeep Wrangler, 2018 to 2022. Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in Jeep Wrangler models from 2018 to 2021 protects key components such as the engine control module, lighting, safety systems, and the start-stop function. It uses compact, low-profile fuses and micro relays for efficient space management. Fuse assignments are clearly marked, aiding in quick diagnostics and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2022 Jeep Wrangler serves as the primary hub for electrical protection, managing circuits for the engine control module, lighting, safety systems, and auxiliary features. It utilizes a combination of Micro 2 and FMM/M case fuses, along with relays, to ensure efficient power distribution and circuit protection. Each fuse and relay is clearly labeled, facilitating straightforward identification and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in Jeep Wrangler models from 2011 to 2017 manages power distribution and protection for vital systems such as the PCM, fuel pump, lighting, and transmission control. It includes a combination of mini fuses and relays designed for quick fault isolation. Clear labeling and a fuse layout guide assist with easy diagnostics and service. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, Micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.